and today I'm going to be doing a paper squishies tutorial. The materials that you will need are coloring supplies, paper or flashcards, scissors, and tape. First, I will be using the full A4 paper. The first thing you need to do is figure out what you will draw. For this paper squishy, I will be drawing flowers, so I will use these colors. For coloring supplies, you don't have to use markers. You could use colored pencils or crayons. This is just what I have right now. First, I'm going to sketch out my drawing on a small corner of this paper. This is about how big you want the square on your paper to look like. After you cut it out, your paper should be about this big. So the next thing you're going to do is fold it in half. And it should be kind of tiny. It shouldn't be that big. If there are any extra tips like mine, you could cut those off. The next part is the fun part. You just have to color. So this is my simple drawing. And if you want, you could color on the back, but I'm not going to do that for now. Next thing you're going to do is open it up and take your tape out. You're going to have to laminate this whole thing with tape. After it is fully covered with tape, it should be super shiny and have no air bubbles. Next thing you're going to do is to save tape, you have to seal one side. If there's extra tape on the sides, put it down. Same thing on the other side. So now there's only excess tape on the top and the bottom. Since you're going to be closing it by using the extra tape, cut a line through the tape in the middle and also on the other side. See which side has the most tape and fold the one that has the less. After that, you're going to fold it up, and then with that extra tape, you're going to close it. This is how it should look. It should only have one pocket. If there was no excess, that's okay, because you could just use the tape to seal the side. For me, the stuffing that I'm using is some stuffing from a broken pillow that I have laying around. You could also use tissues from your bathroom, but you have to ask your parents first. After it's stuffed, it should be very squishy. Then you're going to have to try and tuck it in the best you can. Hold it like this. Take your tape and seal it. After you fold it, it should be completely sealed, and if it has some extra tape at the end, you could just cut it off. And then you're finished. This is your paper squishy. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.